The blur tool in Photoshop is used to soften or blur specific areas of an image. It's helpful for reducing sharpness or adding a creative blur effect to photos. You can adjust the brush size and strength of the blur effect to control the amount of blurring applied. You can see blurriness. It will help to increase focus on some area by blurring area around the desired point. You can see where I am applying brush, it is blurring. The Sharpen tool is used to enhance the clarity and crispness of areas in an image. It can be used to make edges and details more pronounced. Similar to the blur tool, you can adjust the brush size and strength of the sharpening effect. The dodge tool is used to selectively lighten or brighten areas of an image. It's useful for bringing out highlights or adjusting exposure in specific parts of a photo. Like other tools, you can control brush size and intensity. The text tool is used for adding and editing text within your Photoshop project. You can choose fonts, sizes, colors, and other text formatting options. It's commonly used for adding titles, captions, and text overlays to images. The pen tool is primarily used for creating precise and smooth vector paths or selections. It's used for tasks like creating custom shapes, cutting out objects from images, or creating complex selections. It allows you to create curves and straight lines with precision.